Let me teach you how to grow cucumbers at home. First, we need to start with seedling propagation. Prepare some small flower pots or milk teacups and fill them with loose, breathable nutrient soil. When the temperature reaches above 15 degrees Celsius, you can directly sow the seeds, which is simple and quick. If the temperature is still relatively low in your area, but you're really eager to start planting after watching this video, then you can use the damp paper towel method to stimulate germination. Soak the cucumber seeds in warm water overnight. Then take them out and wrap them in a slightly damp paper towel. Finally, place them in a plastic bag and seal it. And put the bag near a router or somewhere warm to maintain a consistent temperature. Generally, in 1 to 2 days, the seeds will start to sprout and show tiny white tips. At this point, sow them into seedling cups. This method ensures a high germination rate and quick sprouting. It's important to keep the soil for the seedlings slightly moist at all times, so the seeds absorb enough water and germinate easily. This is what the seeds look like 5 days after germinating, with their cotyledons emerging. After 15 days, when the cucumber seedlings have 2 true leaves, you can begin preparing to transplant them. For the planting container, flip the seedlings over like this, and transplant them with both the soil and roots intact into the soil. This way, you won't damage the roots or seedlings, and you can skip the acclimation period for quicker growth. You can plant 5 cucumber seeds in a foam box, and if you have more foam boxes, you can space them out a bit more. Lastly, don't forget to water thoroughly. This is called the root setting water. After 25 days, you'll see the cucumber seedlings thriving, with tendrils already eager to climb. At this point, we need to set up a simple support for them. Find some bamboo or wooden sticks, and insert them vertically into the 4 corners and the center top of the foam box. The bamboo should be a little longer, and secure them with zip ties, ropes, or wires. This kind of frame is quite aesthetically pleasing as well. After 40 days, the cucumber seedlings reach their vigorous growing stage, growing rapidly and producing yellow flowers. After 50 days, you'll start seeing tiny cucumbers developing on the female flowers. When fertilizing, it's recommended to use diluted liquid fertilizer or well-rotted organic fertilizer, applying thin, frequent feedings. After 65 days, the first naturally pollinated female flowers will have developed into fully grown, mature cucumbers. Cucumbers are warm-loving plants, with an ideal growing temperature between 15 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. Spring and autumn are the best seasons for planting them. They prefer moisture but dislike drought or waterlogging. Overwatering at once can lead to soil compaction and waterlogging, which affects soil aeration. Therefore, frequent watering is necessary to ensure cucumbers grow and produce fruit normally. Did you learn it?